Okay, I want to talk a little bit about how they faked the moon landing. Uh, this is at the Guinness Book of World Records downtown. It was put up. It's the Apollo 11. It's the Apollo 11 lander. It's a photo that they've since taken really off the internet. I want you to notice certain things. There's no foil on the lander pads here. I also want you to notice that this is lined up, the spot here, and I also want you to notice that when looking at it, there's an upward bend, kind of like a camel hump. Now, like I said, this one came out after it's been scrubbed from the internet, so I want to show you a picture that you can look up off of the just do a Google search. So this is the same lunar lander, so they say, and you can tell by the where this point is, it's lined up exactly the same. Well, this one, it bends down. See, that one goes up, this one goes down. Also, this one doesn't have foil. This one does have foil. Excuse me, this one does have foil on the landers. So remember this one, there's no foil right here. See right here, there's no foil there, there's no foil there, and there's no foil on that one. However, this one, let me blow it up here. Let me blow it up. Hold on. This other phone is not behaving correctly here. This one. Oh, come on. This one's not letting me blow it up. Oh, come on. Well, this one's got metal on. It's got foil on the lunar, on this part right here. Right here. Look at pictures of the Apollo 11 moon lander, and it has foil on it. Another thing I want to point out in this photo, let's look at the so where it says United States and the flag. This one's different. See? They both claim to be Apollo 11. This one's also much cleaner. The lines are much cleaner. It's just a much cleaner version of this. So this is a different... this is just a much cleaner version. So my contention is this is a different Apollo 11 lander. Couple things I want to point out. Thank you for bearing with me with this technical problem blowing this up here. Like I said, they've scrubbed all of these photos off of Google. Unless you bought a book that had it in there, you wouldn't get it. And then so the difference between the other one and that one is this one goes up, one goes down. Foil, no foil. And then you can look at the thing called stereoscopic parallax, and it's the line of demarcation. It's right here. Right.
Let me guess, the catcher's blindfolded or something?
Exactly.
I'm kidding.
And
People are insane. What is this, the Hunger Games?
so this is all sound stage up until here, and then this is a backdrop. You can see the difference here. It goes there. So this has been up since about 2001, and that's why it's still up. But like I said, if you go Google search all this stuff, it's not here. Obviously, there's no blast crater under this, and
This is what I'll be looking like.
So as this thing came down, there would be scorch marks everywhere where there's not. And I'm going to bring up stereoscopic parallax while I'm here on my website. It's on page 4. And how stereoscopic parallax works is this. So I'm going to go to this page. So when you have a picture, you can vary the foreground, the objects in the background should behave just like if it's one continuality. So see how the background doesn't work, and you can see the line of demarcation. It's right there, and this is the line of demarcation in this picture. Is right here. It's a mathematical formula that we use to. And there's the math formula if you're really interested in it. Like I said, I have the link to it on page 4, and it goes showing that what that does. It shows that there's two perspectives molded together in one shot. And anyway, it's called stereoscopic parallax. I have a link to it on page 4. And let me get a more one of the more money shots here. Okay, here's one. So they're virtually in the same spot. He's taken a step over. He's taken one step over. It shouldn't affect the background, which it does. So that's and again, there's the line of demarcation. You can see it. And Stanley Kubrick used this back screen projection in the 2001: A Space Odyssey. And he was the one that was hired to fake the moon landings, and he shot the first 2. So anyway, yeah, check out this lander. This lander has no foil on it. The symbols are different. It's a much cleaner vehicle. This was a different one on a different sound stage. Anyway, that's how they faked it. Buy them out. Wow, that's a great